it's time to do Let's Go Shopping with Train. Okay. It's just in time. Come on, kids, let's play with vending machine. And this for you. And this for me. Let's play date together. Hello passengers. This reaches for passengers. Please, and this passengers. Maybe it's totally. And this is baby season. Alright, all aboard! Now it's totally, guys. Thank you. Can you try it? Are you sure? Oh, hi. Let's go shopping. Oh wow, look, there's a two windows here. I see it. Let's check with red button. Stop. Let's go shopping. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Good idea. Come on, guys. Yes. Let's go for opening gate. Come on. And we also got a candy. Oh, do you want some candy canes? Rachel's trying with Kevin's card with shopping carts. Great. It's so good. And this one, a golden chocolate, a gingerbread man. This is pink chocolate, a brown chocolate bar, and this is a box of cookies. oranges juice. Oh, there's mushrooms, tomatoes, another candy. It's so good. And this is plastic Coke, soda, and water, and juice. And this watermelons, orange, grapes, bananas, and apples. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. And this toothbrush is yellow. And this is cheeseburgers. Or maybe it's a sandwich. And this also we got a tofu. And this is a teal ice creams. And we also got the square toaster with yellows and this yogurts. Come on, let's go for cash registers. Okay. Good morning, Kevin and Rachel. It's so good. It's a cash register with fruits and vegetables. Cool. This is from is card. A shopping cart with cars. And this push. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 shopping carts collections. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. I'm putting on this one. That was too big. Oh. I got a not yet. Okay. Okay, it's totally. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. See ya. Adios. Oh, this excavators and this upstairs. And this away. Cool, let's spray together. Okay. It's waiting for. But it's too small. It's too big. Kevin and Rachel and Lobs is so alive now. No. Stop, Kevin and Rachel. It's so spray with the walls. I'm sorry. It's okay. Thanks. Let's go for home. I choose button. Thank you. Let's go for home. Oh, thank you. Adios. Can you sit here? Are you sure? I want to copy you shopping. Hi, hello. Hola, chicos. Cool, train is fast. Oh my God! And this is Brooklyn Babies to you. Here's a Kevin. And he is a fire extinguisher. And this is a Rachel's toys. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Well, here. Okay. Wow, thank you, buddy. Let's go for sea creatures. Nobody. Okay, save me. Let's go for home. Cool. Wow. These are so good. This is a pass. Well, here. Let's go for home. Okay, bye-bye. Adios. Oopsie. I can drop for babies. Okay. Come on, Kevin, Rachel. It's time to do this one for go home. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Oh, hi. Hello, everybody. Great to see you again. See you again soon. See you real soon. Goodbye, family. See you later. Goodbye. Ha ha ha.